So the equation of the plane containing the two lines here and are parallel to the plane are x plus 3y plus 6 that equal to 1 is what here. So this is one plane here. This is a plane containing the lines here and are parallel to one more plane. They already given x plus 3y plus 6 that equal to 1 here. First find equation of this plane containing these two lines here. And if planes are parallel, then their normals are what are parallel here. If planes are parallel here, normal or parallel. If normals are parallel, then their direction ratios are proportional to each other. Therefore, equation of the plane here. Equation of the plane containing the lines 2x minus 5y plus z is equal to 3 and x plus y plus 4z is equal to 5 is of the form First write here 2x minus 5y plus z. Take 3 left side here, minus of 3 plus lambda into bracket of x plus y plus 4z here. Take 5 left side here, minus of 5 is equal to 0. Take this lambda inside the bracket here. So 2 plus lambda into x here, then plus minus 5 plus lambda here, minus 5 plus lambda into y plus here, and 1 plus 4 lambda here, 1 plus 4 lambda into z here, and minus 3 minus 5 lambda here. So minus 3 minus of 5 lambda is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 1 here. So this is a equation of the plane containing these lines here, and this plane parallel to this plane here. Okay, and this plane parallel to the plane. So x plus 3y plus 6z is equal to 1 here. Therefore, here direction ratio of this plane here means this plane. Direction ratio of this normal to the plane are 2 plus lambda minus 5 plus lambda 1 plus 4 lambda. And the direction ratio of this normal to the plane are so 1, 3 and 6 here. And if normals are parallel here, then the direction ratios are proportional here. Therefore, direction ratio proportional 2 plus lambda divided by 1 here. 2 plus lambda divided by 1 is equal to minus 5 plus lambda, minus 5 plus lambda divided by this 3 here is equal to, so 1 plus 4 lambda here, 1 plus 4 lambda divided by this 6 here, divided by 6. Then equating first two ratios here. Okay, taking first two terms here. Ratios here. Therefore, across multiply, take 3 this side here, 1 this side. So 3 into bracket 2 plus lambda is equal to 1 into minus 5 plus lambda here. 3 2s are 6 here. 6 plus 3 lambda is equal to minus 5 plus lambda here. Take 6 right hand side here, lambda this side here. So 3 lambda minus of lambda is equal to minus 5 minus of 6 here. 3 lambda minus lambda becomes 2 lambda is equal to minus of 11 Therefore lambda is equal to minus of 11 divided by 12. So use this one in the equation 1 here. Therefore equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes 2 plus lambda here. 2 minus of lambda 11 by 2 into this x here. So write here x, then plus minus 5 plus lambda here. So minus 5 and the lambda value is minus 11 upon 2 into y. Then plus 1 plus 4 into lambda here. So minus of 4 into 11 divided by 2 plus minus of 3 here. Minus this minus becomes a plus here. So plus 5 into 11 upon 2 here. 11 divided by 2, that is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Then the 2 is LCM here. 2 2s are 4 here. Then 11 2 minus 4 minus 11 here. It is a minus of 7. Minus of 7 upon 2 into x here. Then 5 2s are 10 here. Minus 10 minus 11 minus 21 here. So minus of 21 divided by 2 into y. Then 2 1s are 2 here. So 44, 11 4 are 44. So 2 minus 44 is a minus of 42 here. Minus of 42 divided by 2 into z here. Into z. Then here 2 3s are 6 here. Minus 6. 11 5s are 55. 55 minus of 6 here. So 49. So plus 49 divided by 2, that is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Then dividing each term by minus 7 upon 10. Just divide it here. 7 upon 2 cancels here. Then remaining is x here. Then minus 7 on the 7 3s are. So 3y plus 3 into y. Then 7 on the 7 6 are. So plus 6 z here. Then 7 on the 7 7s are. Minus of 7 is equal to 0. Obviously x plus 3y plus 6z, take minus 7, right hand side here plus 7. So B is the answer here. The angle between the lines whose direction cosine satisfies the equation L plus M plus N equal to 0 and L square is equal to M square plus N square here. So take here solution here. In this case L plus M plus N is equal to 0 here. Take equation number 1. And L square is equal to M square plus N square. Take this one as equation number 3. So from 1 here. From 1 L is equal to, take this to the right hand side here, minus of M plus N here. Squaring on both sides here. So squaring on both sides we get L square is equal to M minus becomes a plus here. M plus N whole square minus becomes a plus. Then L square is there. So L square is equal to M square plus N square plus 2M into N here. But they already give M square plus N square is L square. So here this is L square here. So L square is equal to L square plus 2 into Mn here. This L square and this L square cancels here. From 2 here. Therefore 2Mn equal to 0. 2M into N is equal to 0 or M into N is equal to 0. Suppose M is equal to 0. If M is equal to 0, then here L, M and N here must be okay. Then just observe here. If M is equal to 0, if M is 0 here, L plus N is equal to 0. Therefore, L is equal to what here? Minus of L. Therefore, direction dash is L, M and N are so 1, 0 and a minus 1 here. Suppose if L is 1, if L is 1 here, therefore N is equal to minus 1 and N means 0 here. If N is equal to 0, if N is equal to 0, then if N is 0 here, L plus M, L plus M is equal to 0, hence L is equal to what here? Minus of M. Therefore, L, M and N are, so if L is 1 here, so 1, then M is a minus 1 and N is already 0 here, so it is a 0. Therefore, cos of theta is equal to 1 into 1 here, 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1, 0 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 0 here, minus 1 into 0 divided by root of, so 1 square plus 0 square plus minus 1 square here, 1 square plus 0 square plus minus 1 square, again root of 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 0 square here. So this is a 0 here, this term is also 0, remaining here 1. So write here 1 divided by here root 2 into root 2 here. So root 2 into root 2, it is 1 by 2. So cos theta is 1 by 2, therefore theta must be pi by 3. So pi by 3 is the answer. First one is correct option is pi by 3.